So guys, welcome to part 2 of the video. It's the squirrel hide. I've never been to the squirrel hide and already I'm excited. The jay has just come in, the jay is feeding her. What I have over here is a female woodpecker feeding what I think is a fledgling male. She's coming over, taking a nut, bringing it back to a hole in the tree, crushing it up and then feeding it to her young. Absolutely fantastic. So we're about 10 minutes in and there's 4 of them there. There's one just here, one right in front of me and another one in the middle of the vine. Absolutely amazing. Literally within 10 minutes of Richard walking out. I've never actually realised that they're so small. They can only be about 8 inches tall and some of them they're 6, so I assume they're young. But very busy there. Absolutely, I love it. It's like their own gymnasium or playground for kids. Like they're swinging after branches, jumping across trees. It's crazy. For me, this has to be one of the cutest native wildlife animals we have in Ireland. Absolutely beautiful. Under threat from the Red Squirrel. I think what I'm going to do for the next half hour is just turn off my camera and just sit here and just take it in. It's absolutely amazing. Genuinely, guys, I'm blown away by this. As I said, it's like their own personal playground. It's watching do the zoomies. How to tell someone you're Irish without telling them you're Irish? A potato sandwich and a cup of tea for your lunch. So it's gone quiet and I needed to stretch my legs and make a pee, so I'll give you a quick look around. Here's the hide, 4-windowed hide. You're in the middle of the woods. There's some perches along here where the squirrels jump across, and they're angled to the first and the third window, so you can get jumping shots. I didn't get any yet. The squirrels come up around here. There's a vine that goes across here, and it's actually pretty comical to see the squirrels come across it. It's pretty good. On this branch here, you probably just see it there. This is all from a woodpecker. And the woodpecker was coming over, taking nuts, putting them in here and flattening them, and then feeding a juvenile male. And I got a bit of video of him up here feeding a juvenile male. I really enjoyed that, pretty cool. That's it. I just wanted to stretch my legs for a minute, make a pee. It's absolutely amazing here. So busy. Really, actually, probably too busy for me. I can't concentrate and focus. This is lovely as well. The stub of a tree with a hole in it, and the squirrels can go down the top and out this side, so you get lovely peeking shots. Beautiful area, well set up, and as I said, very busy. There's actually 3 woodpeckers coming in, 2 male and a female. I'm assuming one of the males is a juvenile. He's very, I suppose, immature looking. He's got bulgy eyes, light feathering on the top of his head, but the males are red on the top of the head and the female is black. So and she's feeding the juvenile most of the day here. This is a great hide, absolutely fantastic. It's a dark, overcast day, as it was with the cuckoo, so I'm shooting at low shutter speeds, and I'm not going to try any flight shots or anything like that, which is a pity. But I think if you came here on a nice bright day or a summer's day, oh my god, your shots would be amazing. Now I am struggling a small bit today. Limerick and Cork were in the Munster final yesterday, so I was out and then got up at 4 o'clock this morning to come here, so my head isn't in the game, as the fellow would say. That's it, guys. The squirrel hide is done. Absolutely amazing. Well worth it. I would have probably stayed here for another hour or two, but I've got greedy and I'm going to do a third hide. I'm going to go down and do the kestrel hide. So the people that done the cuckoo with me this morning are in the kestrel hide and they're leaving at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to jump into it at 4 o'clock for 2 or 3 hours and see how I get. So this hide has now turned from the cuckoo hide to the squirrel hide to now the kestrel hide. So there'll be 3 parts to this video, hopefully, and hopefully they're good. If you do like them, please like and subscribe. It means a lot, and I'll see you all next video. Bye now, which is only in 10 minutes, so come on, let's go. Let's see these kestrels. So guys, I'm just back at Richard's house. Myself and Richard were just having a chat, and Richard tells me that the kestrel have young and they should fledge any day soon, within the week or so. So I'm actually going to wait and come back up and do the kestrels when there's fledglings. I came up last year and there was fledglings there and I really enjoyed that. So I'm actually going to wait, come up in a few weeks time and try to get a few photos of the fledglings as well with the parents. So like and subscribe if you like my videos, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.